Hey, this is Mike, and I'm back with another video on U.S. Steel because U.S. Steel just keeps going up. I've done, I don't know, I think this might be my third or fourth video on U.S. Steel, but I talked about it when it had like a nice setup. I think I talked about kind of like right at like the 950 level, and I said, look, this stock has a really nice setup. It's been rising, and it can threaten to break through these 6 months tops over here. And just look at it yesterday, it was up over 6%. Now, I think it wasn't just a story of people buying into US Steel because it has a great setup. There was also a rotation into more of, let's say, the value or traditional stocks like your Coca-Colas, your Exxon Mobil's. But the reason why I'm really interested in US Steel was not just a great setup, is that with the economy, the world economy reopening, you have a backlog of about a year and a half of big construction that has not happened. And so there's going to be a huge backlog demand for steel. And there are not that many companies that provide steel, especially in the United States. We import a lot of our steel from China, but in the United States, US Steel is like the biggest steel maker. So they're going to be probably just inundated with steel orders. And that's why I think US Steel is going to go up and continue to go up. Right now it's at 1053. Its 52-week high is 1452. I definitely believe that within the next 52 weeks, it'll bust through 1452. So I definitely think there's like a 30 to 40% upside over the next 12 months in US Steel. And here's the best part, is like there's no hype on US Steel. No one's doing videos on US Steel because honestly, this video is not going to get a lot of views. But if you look at US Steel and decide to put a little money in it, I think you're going to do well. I think you're going to get some outperformance compared to the S&P 500. So you have one advantage there, that no one is really looking at this stock. And also just common sense that if we're going to reopen, there's a lot of building that's going to go on. And you also have people who are leaving large cities and moving into smaller cities. And those smaller cities, you got to build out the infrastructure. It's not just the homes, but the strip malls. You may have to do highway overpasses if now you have to move highways to these less populated areas. So definitely take a look at US Steel. The stock symbol is easy to remember. It's X. Stock's at $10 a share, so it's easy if you want to do, let's say, covered calls. You only have to buy $1,053. If you want to do covered calls or do cash secure puts at $9 a share, so you only need $900 to do that. So definitely take a look at it. I'm going to continue to do updates on US Steel because I think it's going to be one of the great hidden gems that are going to be out there for the next 12 months. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and like the video and then subscribe and turn notifications because I'll be doing updates on hidden gem stocks like US Steel, as well as penny stocks, EV stocks, and value stocks, and anything else that's worth investing in. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.